kind of windy, but we're gonna film this bike check now. Before we start the bike check, I actually cut my forks for the first time. This is how much fork I have sticking out, and I had to have 3 spacers to be able to put my stem on there.
Yo.
Yo.
Is it rideable?
It's really wavy.
Do you still want to try it?
I don't know.
Oh no.
This is the weirdest bike check ever. It's because it's spongy. It fucking over-rotated. Alright guys, it's time to build a new bike. Actually, it's been time to build a new bike for a really long time. So we're going to go to Unity Ride Shop. I've got a couple boxes. This has a flat tire, and these bars, forks, and front wheel are the kindest man I know, Lucas. So I'm gonna give them back to him right now, and then we're gonna go to Unity. Thanks. This is why I was upset during my bike check with this bike. I barely got any fork. And they're like dirt forks. All right, here. No, stop using that. Here, use that. Oh, yeah. It's way better. Here. All right, we made it with 10 minutes to close. Thank you.
Here, the fancy camera, dude.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Group of people down.
Thanks.
Alright, I'll talk to you tomorrow.
You're doing a good job.
Thanks.
Because there was really shortcut forks by someone.
I knew that. I'm not even saying that.
Thanks.
That'll be our little secret.
Don't tell anyone. Today we're gonna show you my new bike. Sorry, Grant. What's up guys, this is my 2025 bike check, and this is the most solid bike that I've ever ridden, and it fits me perfectly, so I'm gonna go over the parts right now. But listen to this. She quiet. So we got a BSD ALVX AF Plus frame, so the newest version with all the latest tire clearance, and I love the teal stickers that come on this. That's from Full Factory. Thank you for Grant sending that over from Full Factory to me. For the forks, I got Odyssey R15s, and probably as steep as I'd ever go, but these are brand new from Full Factory because I had to warranty my last pair. So back to steep forks. I got my old BSD high-rise stem top load off my old bike with a BSD headset, and then I bought these BSD high as hell bars from Unity Ride Shop, which are sick. 10.5 tall, which is awesome for me and my height, but I did have to cut an inch off each side to make them feel the most comfortable for myself. Grant sent over some BSD grime grips from Denim Cox, and I just put my old par ends on. I got my old G Sport rollaway front wheel laced to a G Sport ribcage rim, and BSD tube pegs all the way around. And this front peg's a little special because I got the BSD recording sticker underneath some clear grip tape that this random dude Lucas gave to me.
Huh.
He's pretty cool though. For my back wheel, I got the newest version of the BSD Revolution hub, so the new internals inside of here with the brand new guards that come with it. My tires are the BSD Donnastreet tires, and I think we're pretty convinced Donnastreet. Okay. So the BSD Donnastreet tires, and they might be the folding ones because I think they did come folding, right?
Yeah, they were all folded up when you got them, so.
Gotcha. All right, these are my super old demolition rig cranks, but they're 24 millimeter bottom brackets, so I haven't really had a reason to change them. These are BSD Jones & pedals. I really like these, actually. This is the BSD Jones & seat. I like the gray to match in the frame. And then this is a BSD pivotal. For my sprocket and chain are both BSD, so BSD half link and then the BSD barrier sprocket. I have no idea what my bottom bracket is, but that's my bike. Yippee! I want to say, first of all, dear Grant Smith, I'm so sorry. It's my fault. I shouldn't have rotated that much.
Ready?
I just worked 8 hours. Give me a break. My Sorry, Grant. Alright, thank you, Randy and Unity. I'm just gonna fix my wheel, get that laced on my old ring, and then I'll take some pictures of how it looks before the video's over.
Holy shit. Looks good. Oh my goodness.
I got my brand new hub back on this old G Sport rim. Thanks, John. Thanks, Randy.
Bikes are calling.
Bikes are calling.
I got over 4,000 views.
For fucking one, we could have Leonardo DiCaprio walking on under my foot. The recording I film, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, that works. I got all the rare stickers, and I wanted to see how close this middle color was to toothpaste. But that might be too big, so a legitimate ethic decal. Should I just keep putting ethic stickers on it until it's covered?
Yeah. What if someone did that to their bike?
Like brand new. They should go to Vegas.
Ooh, look at that.
I'm not mad at that.
First try bar spin real quick.
Show
We're
them
trying
this
out this-
first.
Oh, yeah. Look at these.
We didn't
bad
cut them
boys.
down yet. I can't.
What's your idea?
I can't tell you. You're gonna see it later in this video.
Well,
There's
we'll
a
just put it
roof
in
drop
after.
right next to your house, and my idea was I film the whole bike check after I roof drop it right in front of the building, and then we put that clip at the end so it zooms out like, well, that's my bike check, and then I fucking 3 off it, and then that's the only clip. And I'll still title it Bike Check with Riding Clips, but it's just that.
There's a metal roof on the way here. Here, I'll do this, the vlogger thing. There's a metal roof on the way here that is dropping into like it's like grassy hills like that, but they're all dead, so it's just dirt.
Yeah.
But they've like ripped all of the stucco off the building and they're redoing it, but it's like
So
a
it's
metal
just a
roof.
slanted metal roof.
So it's just like a drop into a bank. It's kind of sick.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah.
Or I was thinking potentially I jump off the roof and then I'm like, hey guys, here's my bike check, and start right then.
That would be sick.
And then potentially that roof's kind of really low. Maybe the clip after is like me climbing back up. I'm like, well, thanks for watching. I climb back up and then I half cat it. That'd be sick.
That'd be sick.
But maybe this weekend. We'll find it. We'll figure it out.
Dude, those bars are wide. They fill out this
Dude,
entire...
look at... This is why it's hard.
Whoa!
Well, guys, thanks for watching my bike check. This is how I gotta get home now. Also, huge shout out to Unity Ride Shop, Grant Smith over at BSD, Full Factory, and BSD Forever. Thank you so much for this bike. I am having the time of my life.
Just cutting the bars down, or no?
Edit that now. Steer tube.
Yeah.
Also, should I have the sprocket side first?
Yeah.
Like that.
Okay.
She's solid. Up front, and it's not up front. I'll edit it. Don't worry, Lucas. You can send me all of these. I gotta. I'll just do a blooper reel, and that's how we'll edit it.
Okay, you got your face?
Yeah. Denim cocks. All right.
Here, wait, let's redo that.